cute. They don't prefer... Okay, they're not really liking... Get more of them sesame things for them.
Here, Tyler. Hello.
Whoa. Whatever these birds are, they are adorable now.
Yeah, except they make really weird breathing sounds that's scaring me.
It reminds me of dogs. Oh my gosh, I got good video.
Yeah. It'll probably look better when I rewatch it. I'm gonna like feed them all the food.
Yeah, well apparently they're the only ones that like the sesame things. They're not liking the seeds here, so. What are these things?
I'm not sure.
I don't know if they're turkeys or something.
They smell funny.
Give me some of those things.
They're gonna be so fat. Look, they're like wagging their tails though. It's so cute.
Okay, now it's creepy.
They're breathing so weird.